Hi guys, it's Brian the Badger Gaming here, and got my glamorous assistant
Fiona.
today for another Loot Crate unboxing. This is March's crate titled Covert, so hopefully there's loads of spy stuff in here. So shall we open it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. And the first item
We got a nice t-shirt.
is a t-shirt, and it's James Bond, and it says this is stirred, and he looks really sad
Because he's all lonely.
because obviously he has his martinis shaken, not stirred. Next we have,
Laces.
it's a Loot Crate paracord survival bracelet. These are pretty cool. I've actually got a green and yellow one of these upstairs, but I like that. That's cool.
You've got two now, haven't you?
I have, yes. We have field notes, notebooks, two of them, and yeah, one of them's lined, one of them's squared paper, and they're Loot Crate exclusives.
Very special.
48-page memo books. We have a stealth wristwatch from Blink Time, another Loot Crate exclusive. You press the face and it lights up with the time, and obviously leave it and it goes black again. It feels like rubber. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Really cool.
We have a lanyard, just a plain black cotton lanyard. We have Spy Mad Libs, the world's greatest word game. Now, Mad Libs aren't huge here in the UK. I know they're pretty big thing in the US, but not really sure how you do these. Alright, it has like stories in it, and there are spaces to put like objectives, part of the body plurals, nouns, type of food, etc. And you can make your own story.
And a noun is a name or something.
Descriptive word. And we have March 2015 Loot Crate Covert pin to add to her collection.
Yep.
We have an Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Loot Crate exclusive EFX collectibles.
To protect yourselves.
I'm not sure what this is, but let's open it and have a look.
It looks really nice.
I don't know what it is. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
It's pretty cool. It is an Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
And nice and
key card.
And it's nice and sparkly.
It's all glittery.
And sparkly.
And it comes with certificate of authenticity for an official prop replica. Now the lanyard makes sense. Obviously, pop out the little bit here and the lanyard clips onto it. That makes sense now.
And what this is.
We have a card with a code on it for an exclusive variant digital download of Ninjak #1.
Nice and special.
Anybody wants the code, feel free to use it.
Next thing.
We have the monthly magazine, Covert. Everything in there. About silver screen spies, Metal Gear through the years. This month's Mega Crate. And the last item is a number 1 Loot Crate exclusive copy of Orphan Black comic book. I'll add that to my collection of Loot Crate exclusive comics. And that's it this month. I think this month's one was far more impressive than last month. Oh, obviously as well. That's the box art. Turns into a laptop.
Got a keyboard and that.
Much more impressed with this month's crate compared to last month's. Last month's was quite poor for the quality of the stuff in it. They have released an email saying that next month's crate is titled Fantasy and we'll have Games of Thrones stuff in it, so I'm really looking forward to that one. But no, other than that, I'm really pleased. You happy? You're going to rob half the stuff? Yep, sounds about right.
I might rob the t-shirt as well.
Oh, okay. Right, thanks for watching, guys, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and join me again next month when I'll do April's fantasy unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.